Next, let us try to analyze the graph of y is equal to minus x square plus 2x plus 3. So how does this graph look like? In which case does this graph fall in? Again, the first thing that you need to observe is the leading coefficient. So the leading coefficient, that is the coefficient of x square, is minus 1. So the leading coefficient is negative. That means we are looking at these three graphs. Next, once leading coefficient is negative, the next thing to observe is the value of delta. That is the discriminant. Discriminant is b square minus 4 times 3 times minus 1. b square minus 4ac, that is equal to 4 3s are 12 plus 4 16 is greater than 0. So the value of discriminant is negative. The value of leading coefficient is negative. So we are looking at downward parabolas. And the value of delta is positive. That means it has two real roots. The equation has two real roots. That means the graph cuts x-axis at two distinct points. So we are looking at this case. So this graph comes in the case of a less than 0 and d greater than 0. Downward parabola which cuts x-axis at two distinct points. Thank you.